Hey guys, welcome back. So this video I'm going to show you the first few days of me being back in Penang, particularly going back to USM of course. So here we are on the second bridge of Penang, and this is our hotel. We always stay there. I mean, the food there is awesome, especially the seafood. You have to go there. And now after we just checked in at our hotel, we went to Georgetown because my sister had this appointment with a particular doctor. So I'm gonna show you around, and this is Street Ski, and this is the Plaza Gurney. It's huge. I haven't been there yet because I always go to Queensbay Mall. I just love this establishment so much. I mean, I love this colonial city, this colonial town. It's amazing, it's breathtaking. And this clip, we went to USM because my dad had to use the ATM. Yeah, because USM has so many ATM from different banks like Maybank, KMB, Bank Islam, and you name it. This is the bursary at USM. Kinda nice. We had our meal at the hotel that we were staying, and we had kari kepala ikan calamari. It was delicious. We are at our hotel, but for now we're heading to Queensbay Mall, probably to do some shopping, and afterwards probably we go to Georgetown. We go to Padang Kota to get some mee sotong, pasambal, and so forth. So we went to Padang Kota because we wanted to get some mee sotong and stuff. I love this historical city. It has the same feature as the one in Singapore, Malacca, because obviously the British colonized this country previously. I love the city. It's clean. I'm actually more fascinated with the buildings because, well, you know, last time I wanted to be an architect, but I know my drawing skill is just plain rubbish. So I can just admire the creation from afar. It's around Padang Kota. You can see the districts of Malacca here. Some description about Padang Kota Lama, and at this time there was this singer. He sang perfectly, loved it. And this is the ever famous mee sotong at Hamid Pata kiosk. Love the ambiance here. The greenery is exceptional. Oh my god guys, this was the largest cruise I've ever seen. Amazing. And then in the evening I accompanied my sister to RST, which is one of the dormitories provided by USM. I went there because my sister had to do this meeting with her juniors for Med Society. I mean, this dormitory is huge. Now, R stands for Resto, S stands for oh my god, I can't remember. My sister told me. T is for Tekun, S is for I know it's not Sentosa, it was something else. I'm sorry. What is it? Oh my god, I can't remember. My sister is going to be pissed. Sorry, fellow USM. I'm new. I don't stay at the hostel, so go easy on me. So yeah, that's all for this video. Nothing else. Actually, I had so many footages that I've said it before. I accidentally deleted each of them. Thank you for watching. Bye.